Hello, I'm the Persistent Puzzler, and today I'll be doing a 2x2 to 5x5 Rubik's Cube relay. Just a note, I have not done this before, and this is completely new to me, and I'm not even sure if I'll make it under the time limit of 10 minutes. So it's just a wild guess I'm going for. Without further ado, let's begin. Well, that was me solving every cube from 2x2 to 5x5 in a relay. If you have any ideas for future videos, comment in the section below. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and be sure to hit the notification bell down below. Thank you, and have a great summer. Bye!